Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Posture metal kneeler chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are part-assembled kneeler chair with height adjuster and kneeler pad attached. Seat pad. Part A, 2 M6 14mm long bolts. Part B, 1 internally threaded bar, which are all pre-inserted into the part-assembled chair. Part C, 4 M6 18mm long bolts, which are pre-inserted into the base of the seat pad to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. Part D, 4 casters. Part E, 1 Allen key. Turn the kneeler chair upside down and push the 4 casters into the leg frame, making sure they click into position. Turn the chair upright onto its casters and remove the Part A bolts and the internally threaded bar, Part B. Now you can fit the bottom of the gas strut to the frame of the chair by pushing the internally threaded bar, Part B, back through the frame and the gas strut, like this. Secure in position by inserting the bolts Part A. Once inserted, you can tighten them up. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. To complete your chair, position the seat pad on the frame, using the arrows on the pad and frame to ensure the seat pad is positioned correctly, and insert 4 Part C bolts. Again, do not fully tighten the bolts until all 4 bolts are inserted. We recommend you use the Allen keys provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Please keep the Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your posture metal kneeler chair is now complete. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace. Safety advice. Please make sure you only sit on the kneeler chair. Do not stand on the seat or sit on the knee pad.